All right, kia ora, boys. Project 2 for Matariki Mathematics. So this one, we're just going to click right in here. We've got a spreadsheet set up for us, ready to go. So our task this time is to recreate this tuk-tuk panel, which has got one band here, 2 or 3 bands in the middle, another band here, and then we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ferns going up, and another 6 ferns on the other side there. Okay, so how are we going to do that? That looks like a very complicated pattern, but I think we can actually make it a bit easier here. So there's some instructions here, which I'll let you guys read through. Effectively, what we're going to do is this, boys. There's 2 tabs down here. One is called adjusting bands, and the other is called adjusting coordinates. All right. So the bands. You'll notice here in this spreadsheet, there are 2 boxes that are yellow and 1 box that's black. Now, those are the only cells in the spreadsheet that you have to do anything with. All right. So the first one you're going to do is 0, 0, 0. That means you are changing 0 to do with the horizontal adjusting and 0 to do with the vertical adjusting. So let's just copy this set of coordinates over here. And then we're going to head over to Desmos. Now, you will have done project 1. You would have set up your account. So now you can just make sure you log in. And we're going to go to the graphing calculator. Of course, we are going to save our work, as we always do. And now I'm going to copy that set of coordinates from that black cell. And what do you know? There's a big band going up here now. All right. Now, I don't like the idea that that is in dots now. I'm going to change that. So I'm going to go back to my right-clicking. I'm going to make that an X. And then I'm going to make the thickness a 10. And I'm going to make these guys green. All right. So now I've got a green band going up. That's a good start. I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. Now, I want my next set here to be quite far across. So maybe I'm going to shift those across, I don't know, 30. Let's do a horizontal adjustment of 30 units. I'm copy this now. Head on over to Desmos. In another cell, I'm going to put these guys across. Now, look, this has shifted. Instead of being here, it's being 30 units across here. All right. But remember, this band here is too thick. So I'm going to have to do another one directly next to it. All right. So this next one is going to be 31. Let me copy and paste this. All right. Now we've started to get the bands going there. All right. So that's a good start. The one other bit we need to do is get the ferns in there somehow. So if we go across to our spreadsheet, adjusting coordinates ferns, this is going to give us the output of 1 fern. All right. We've made 0 adjustments to it at the moment. So let's get our first fern in there. Oh, there he is. Okay. Now that's the first one on the bottom. So I need the next one to be higher up. So I'm going to see, let's make a vertical adjustment this time. Let's put it 45 units up. Okay, so if that was meant to be my second fern, that's way too high, isn't it? And we also see that we have a bit of a problem with possibly a bit of overlap. Oh, no, there's no overlap. Never mind. So your challenge, boys, is to work out appropriate spacing so that you have 6 ferns going up the whole time, so that none of it's overlapping, and so that it looks somewhat like the picture that you started with. Okay? You can use your own colors. You can adjust them as you want, different sizings and that sort of thing. But it does need to have 6 ferns going up, 6 ferns going up here, a thin band here, a thicker band in the middle, and a thin band on the end there. All right? So I'll let you play around with that. It will be the case that you will have to amend these as you go. You won't get it right the first time. So it may be that you have to delete some of these. So for example, if I didn't like this second fern that I put down, I can just delete that whole thing by clicking this X, and he's gone now. Okay? Now, just like the other project 1, at the end, I'm going to take the share graph, copy, go back to Google Classroom, submit project 2 by copying and pasting the link from Desmos. All right. If you have any questions, just yell out to your teacher, and I'm sure they can help you out. Apart from that, I think that's all for today. Cheers.